You've probably heard this before, but be careful what you wish for. So for years and years and years, Bitcoin maxis and, well, cryptophiles alike, we're all hoping that institutional money would flow into the Bitcoin space, would flow into the crypto space. And oh my God, ETFs, this is amazing. Well, what happens when institutional money comes in is institutional games start to be played. Now, what's happening with Bitcoin right now? Everybody wants to know, why is Bitcoin falling and falling and falling? Why can I no longer retire? Why is my Lambo now so far off in the distance? Well, carry trade, man. Making interest on holding a hedged position in a market. Bitcoin, by shorting futures and longing ETFs, was paying a pretty good interest rate. And then the Bitcoin price started to tumble, basically because of fundamentals, mostly political, out of the US. When that happened, that triggered interest rates to fall. Interest rates fall on those futures, then they can't hold the trades anymore, and they have to liquidate on the ETF side. And that leads to, well, lower prices. That leads to fear in the market for retail investors, and that leads to retail investors selling everything. Because even though nobody wants to see correlation, oh, I hope this market stops being correlated, it's still correlated to the downside, unfortunately, more than it is to the upside between Bitcoin and crypto. Now, having said all that, getting back into the 70 to 75 range in terms of euro, or roughly 73 to 78,000 USD, was going to happen anyway. Those retracements in a bull run happen. Previous all-time highs are usually hit. There's also a gap in terms of the future markets that sit right there. Gap meaning that futures market closed and reopened, and there was a pricing gap that usually gets filled as well. So we're there. So this probably wouldn't have happened until Q2 or Q3 before an eventual push higher in Q4 and Q1 of 2026. Well, it's happened now, which actually could be quite bullish in the long run, given the fact that we've got this out of our system. Let's see if Bitcoin bottoms out. Let's see if we start to see reversal signs. But those carry trades have unwound. There may still be a little bit of fuel left to throw on this fire, this upside down fire. But we're almost there, everybody. So buckle up and get ready. This is crypto, my friends. If you can't take it, you might want to get out of the kitchen.